Hi, this is Rajshri. Welcome to my page. This video is about a maths activity for kindergarten kids, which you can easily make it at home for learning different types of shapes. Here we took the cut pieces of different shapes, then matched those and named those accordingly. Now here I simply drew an engine of different shapes such as semicircle, triangle, stars, crescent shape moon, cone, cylindrical shape, square, rectangle, oval shape. All the shapes I have included in it and accordingly started coloring it. Then I gave my kid to match all the shapes accordingly and name all the shapes. So you can also use different drawing, and in that drawing you can include different shapes which will help your kid to do it in a more funful way. So hope you found the video helpful for your kids. And as these can be easily done at home, so do try and help your kid to learn shapes faster in easier way. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.